Xiegu X6200. Let's load the R1CBU firmware. So this is on my X6100, and you'll see that with this firmware you can actually decode and transmit FTA. Plus it brings in a whole new and makes the most of the hardware in your radio. So let's load it and learn how to use it. So I powered mine off. Here's the image. We do have to burn the image. So if you click here, massive thanks to GDYULDIN for his modified version of the R1CBU firmware that will work on the Xiegu X6200. I have taken off the sort of WR12 unit that I normally use on top, which gives you the receive on 77s and 2 meters and more. Okay, I've disconnected that for now. I'm not sure if that works with it. So you're going to need yourself a card. I've got myself a 16 GB SD card and adapter here, and I've put the card in. I've formatted it so it's in my PC. I'll put it back in my PC, and you just right click it and click format. You'll find it in your, if you go to your yellow folder here and go to here, is that USB drive, right click and click format, so you know it's a nice blank card. You can use Rufus, Bellina, but I'm going to use Rufus. So format the card you've got, pop it into your computer, and then it will show up just here. I'm actually using a 16 GB one. Select the image here. So select, go to your desktop. I put mine on my desktop. There it is there. Double click that like so. It pops it there, and then just click start. Now I've done mine already. This will go all green where it says ready here. Green, and when it's fully green it will be done, and then you grab the SD card and pop it into your computer. So we're going to do that as you watch. I think it's fantastic they've done this. It doesn't stop me using the original, but it's nice to have, you know, a different option. So you know, completely. So just take mine out, and it faces this way round, and just be gentle, don't force it. And remember, if you take it out and start the radio, it will boot up in the normal way. This isn't a permanent thing. Pop it in and then press and hold. And I have got an external power source connected here. Press and hold and keep your finger on until you get a white screen. And there you are, it's starting to show that. Now, if it boots up with the original, just do it again, okay? Let's give that a minute. You know when it's right, you get this image with a wolf. That is a wolf howling, and then it will boot up. And of course we have to familiarize ourselves with this. Let it clear up a bit. I know it's quite bright, so I'm just going to sort of tinker a little bit now, and then I'm going to come back with a video fully using it when the bands are a bit busier later. But just for now, let's just start to use some of these knobs. Trying to keep my hands away from the light. So this knob here is just the brightness, so the volume. If we press, you've got your filters, and you can choose volume, RF gain, filter low, filter high, 5 watt. Let's press 10 because, you know, it's 8 on this one, isn't it? See if it goes high. No, 8 because it's the the Xiegu 6200 does 8 watt. Okay, now we're turning the bottom one. Peak hold, spectrum beta. What's that? I'm just pressing. FFT width, peak speed, peak hold. Then we've got buttons here. Look, number 1, we've got volume, squelch, RF gain, TX power. 2, mic select is auto at the moment. Mic gain for the hand mic, internal mic, and monitor. See the way it's dimming automatically. Well, we should be able to change those settings eventually. Let's press again. Voice, what's this one here? Lug order. Voice rate, voice pitch, voice volume. Let's keep going. ADC, attenuator, I would say, preamp and comp. Minimum max level span. How do we change the span? Just see how we change it. So you can see I need to learn before I make a video on this now. But anyway, on the top, we'll just do the usual. You can still cycle through the bands in the normal way. A bit busier on 20, I think there's some activity there. There it is, volume. Definitely a better speaker on the X6200. FT8. Remember, this has got FT8 decode built into it. Wow, the step, I've got the step set really high there. Did you see that? It started actually decoding CW automatically without me changing a setting. That's clever, isn't it? So let's go back. Look, it automatically is going to upper sideband like that. Receive increment tuning, transmit increment tuning, antenna, charger on, MFK. Any more? We've got more. Memories. Yeah, nothing to load, but anyway, memories. Reloading, memory 2. I'm pushing this one now, the generation button. Apps, right, RTTY, FT8. Now you're going to need your, and it sets the frequency for you. To put your, to transmit, you have to enter your call sign. Just waiting for it to see if it just starts to decode. It takes a minute, there it goes. If I try and enable TX, it's going to say call sign. CQ modify, auto enabled, hold frequency enabled, tune, but it's already decoding. I hit gen there. And now we're in the filters. More filters. Yeah. See if we can get into them. It's quite a big menu in this. So if I press, it says here app, okay? You've got app here. If I can shine it on a bit brighter. Like so. And we're going to press app. And just look here, okay? You've got the FT8. You've also got Wi-Fi set up there. Let's turn it on. That's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by the looks of it. Scan and connect. So let me, how do I select one here? No touchscreen, there it is. I want to select that one. I'm going to go connect. And then I'll get the password in. You can see it all on screen. So you're going to have to do, there you go. It's turning and they're going up and down like that. So I'll get that in and press enter. Give me a minute. It did mention the Bluetooth. Also look here, settings. Look, if you press this until you get to settings, there's GPS there. You can, I'm pretty sure you can connect a GPS antenna via USB and it starts to work. App is like the back, settings, and then it's here. There's a lot here to look at with this one. I'm scrolling with the outer knob. We can set the time, which has it got right? Well, it's an hour out, so the time looks like it is right. It's just the plus hour. Pressing the bottom MFK to select. Keep going. Oh, hour, we need to press again. So it's press, and then it's 14, press. And then can we keep going now? Press, 14, how do we back out? I didn't see how he backed out there, but I'm just going to go set here. For now, line in, line out. Mag frequency, what's that? Into ALC. It's a very bright screen on this. Clock power, general long press, screenshot. It's like you can tell it to do other things like recorder, voice mute, battery info, app, SWR scan. Let's do that. That's on the gen long press button. We'll do that in a minute. App recorder. So it looks like you've got a few buttons that you can set. Let's do that FT8 on the long press with the key. The gen button and the app button. Here's the key button here. So, okay, setting some functions there on the buttons. DFM. So, oh, it looks like you can set quite a few buttons with long and short presses. You decide. Voice mode. Spectrum. When LCD is off, I would like it. Oh, is that off? Is that right? I'm not really sure. Waterfall, frequency, acceleration, theme, legacy. I wonder what that. Oh, nice. Yeah, you can connect a transverter on this. It doesn't transmit on 2 meters and 7 without a transverter. Timeout brightness. I'd rather we didn't even have that. Just keep it on all the time. Is what I'd rather do. And then you can. Where's the back button on this? It just takes me. Oh, look at that! You can get it talking to you. Do you hear that? So we turned on the voice. That's what the voice was. Okay. Quite like that. It talks to me. That's so good for the, hard of sight. App again. Let's just do the SWR scan. And then run. Obviously, it does transmit when you do a scan. I mean, a lot of these functions, remember, they're already in the radio. It's a very advanced radio without the modification. Remember that. It's very advanced. Okay, stop. I'm pretty sure that if we go into settings here, is where we would find, can we go backwards? Call sign for FT8, I'm sure of it, but I'll make a dedicated video as I learn. Let's just back out for a minute, see if I can just see where that call sign goes. So I'm back on FT8, try and get that call sign in. So you press app, and then you eventually you see the word call sign, and then you can now add the call sign. Let's see if I can get this to move. It's going down. Oh, okay. We might need to plug a keyboard in. We have a keyboard. Yeah, my keyboard didn't work for some reason. So what I'm finding is that if you turn this smaller knob here, you move it up and down, and then you can move right and left like so, and you have to sort of select if you want numbers here. So look, we go to the blue, press, you get numbers, or go down with the down one, press, and you get letters. And again, you can, I think, go across, you can select caps, press. So now we've not got one in there yet, so we're going to go M, back to numbers, bear with, it's a bit boring, 0, and then back to caps, there, and then F, X, B, and then we've got a little tick here at the bottom, see that there? We're pressing the MFK. So now when you go to FT8, press the app. Remember, it's not just FT8, it's RTTY as well. It will switch across. It's on 20 meters at the moment. You know, watch your power on this. You don't want it too high. You don't want to overheat it. Let's just let it get into decoding a minute. I'll just wait a minute or so. There we go. Show all. Yes, it's on show all. So we go TX. There it goes. SWR is not perfect. Power's about 4 watts. And this, you know, you don't need any software. You don't need nothing. And I would say that's one of the biggest strengths with this software. We do have a tuner, don't we? So I just turn the tuner on. Auto tuner on. Oh, actually looks worse. Let me tune it a bit. Just let that finish. Let me just pause while I tune. So there you go. I think that's enough for now. You can see it going into transmit. We've loaded it, and it feels very similar to using the X6100. It sets the mode. It sets everything for you. Job done. Bye for now. All the best.